Hey, what's up? Dirt Dog Scrapper here. Figure it's about time to do another scrapping video. So I got a garage door opener. See what we got in here. It's been a while. Been scrapping a whole lot, but I haven't been making the videos, you know? So, see what we got here. Piece of crap board. It's probably copper inside. Yup. Little copper gizmos in there. I'll play with that later. Get these wires out of here. A whole lot of copper everywhere here. And a whole lot of wires, I mean. Come on. Wire. Wire. I don't want to lose my bit. Get wires. Start snipping this shit off, I guess. Get this shit out of the way. A lot of wire. Yeah. A whole lot of wire. Got a capacitor. What the hell is holding this thing now? Where's this screw? Alright, clip this off here. Bunch of wires and circuit board so far. Let's crap this wire out of here. Boom. Boom. Alright, we got wire now. What I really want is the motor, obviously. It's not the right size. This has got to be it then. Alright. Let's get this piece of crap plastic off of here. Fucking kidding me. That out of there. We got a piece of cast aluminum, some irony aluminum. Right. I want the rest of this motor though. Looks like it's gonna be a pain in the ass to get out. Nope, not at all. Nice number 2 copper. Easy for me to get out. Hit it with the angle grinder. Pull it out. That's what I'm looking for right there, guys. That's exactly what I'm looking for right there. Okay. What's this here? It looks like a transformer. Yep. Try and yank this off somehow. Got it. Alright. Now I want to get the rest of this cast somehow. Not working too well, I see. Getting a little jammed up over here in this corner. Kind of a pain in the ass. I do want it out of there though, so let's try and hit it. Not breaking the way I want it to. Keep hitting it. It's almost out now, hopefully. Damn, it's a rivet. It's holding it right there. Bang! Got it. All this here is steel. Little pieces of brass, so I'm not going to really mess with that. So that's steel. Alright. You guys still with me? Good. We got wires, garage door opener, this thing, a little bit of brass, but I mess with that later. Capacitor. Put that down there with the others. We got some, I don't know if this is extruded or cast. Sure as hell didn't break the way I wanted it to. So, we got aluminum though. We know that. Got aluminum, there's a piece of brass in there I'll be able to fish out later. Yeah. And we got a motor. That's really what I wanted. The motor. That's what's worth it in the garage door opener. I'm Dirt Dog Scrapper, I'm out.